Okay, welcome back to the channel. Today working on the cluster gauge of the Rxtx. So I went ahead and hit it with the Dremel. It worked out pretty good. I ended up using a cutting wheel on it. Did go a little bit deep in some spots, but didn't do too much damage. But you want to make sure you cut off all the tabs and all the plastic, clear plastic also, so it comes off nice and easy. It makes a big mess, but after the cleanup, it isn't too bad. You don't have to really worry about the tabs or the plastic because it's going to be replaced with the new one. So this ski right here, it's sunk. I believe it's sunk and everything has got salt water in it. Saltwater damage. So the beeping, I think the beeper is bad, and the LCD screen is stained. So after you cut it, then this will just come right off. Obviously I opened this up before. I figured I'll start working on it. Right here I cut it a little bit too deep, but it didn't hurt it too bad. Here's the parts that came in. The new cover, I'm just gonna leave it in the plastic. Here's the new LCD screen. Looks pretty nice and clean. And here's the back with all the new little tabs. It's gonna hold it all together. Looks like it was gonna go together really nicely. Everything's matching up like it's supposed to. Okay, so this just comes right off. Next, we're going to take off these dials. You got to be real careful and gentle with them when you pry them up. They like to snap. They're very fragile from being sun-baked. These little clips right here are fragile also, and they break, but it's okay because the new backing is going to have it. Once you get the clips out, then you're just going to pry it up gently. Last time I had it open, I didn't have time to mess around with the buzzer. So this time I was messing around with it, trying to see if I can get any sound out of it. I just connected a little battery to see if I can get any kind of sound out of it. I was getting nothing. So when I took it apart, you can clearly see what was wrong with it. Turns out that it was all corroded on the inside. So I tried to clean it up. Hopefully I'll just clean it up, put it back together. But as I was cleaning it up, I started to notice that it had a lot of corrosion and it started falling apart in my hands. That's definitely going to put a damper in my project now. So I'm going to have to order a new one of these things and get that installed. So I decided to go ahead and remove it and the whole thing and try to get a whole new replacement on it. So basically just pry up on it. It's attached with double-sided sticky tape with foam in between it. Now you have to gently pry on this. It's very fragile and you don't want to break the bottom board. So it took a little while, but with little tiny pries it did come apart. And there's no soldering involved or anything like that. It's just you just push it into the holes. Here I'm trying to cut the foam with the screwdriver a little bit and then prying up at the same time. So just basically just working at it until it comes up. It'll come up eventually. Okay, I'm gonna end the video here. Once I get that buzzer in, I'll continue the rest of the video. Catch you on the next episode. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.